Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check Spotify code, and that's pretty simple. So in your Spotify select any song, and at the right side corner you will see a three dot option. Tap on this option and scroll a bit down. Here you'll see options show Spotify code. Tap on this option and save this photo in your gallery. And now you are done in here. Just go back to your home page option, and from here tap on the search option and select the option camera. And here you can see point your camera at a Spotify code and select it from your photos or gallery. Tap on this option, and from here select the photos already added. And as you can see, this option is take it to my option that I have saved the photos. So that's so easy to show the Spotify code and find any kind of album and playlist, and it's quite fun. So that's it. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.